Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 2032R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a 220R quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just under 200 hours on it. Super clean tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty, and it is the R series, so it is the premium grade tractor. Again, it does come with the 220R loader. The loader is quick attach. You can easily remove this loader. Simply pull the lever over here on each side, and then the whole loader just basically drops off of the unit. The front piece here drops down and touches the ground, and the whole loader just pops right off of the tractor. So very easily removed, and also very easily reinstalled again. So very nice loader. It does have the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. It's got a little bit of a bend there at the top. It's in pretty nice shape yet. It does have the front grill guard on it. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. It's got the hydrostatic transmission, two pedals, one for forward, one for reverse. Also has the e-throttle, which basically what that translates to is you turn the switch in the on position, and then your engine will accelerate right with your foot pedal here. The off position, it will not do that. So that is a very nice feature if you're just running around the yard or just doing odd jobs. You can accelerate the engine right with the foot pedal of the transmission. So very nice feature. Also has cruise control. This button right here is your cruise control, and the yellow button is your PTO. Loader right here for your loader. Lever right here for your loader. Very nice positioning there. It does have a set of wheel weights on it. R4 tires, has a 3-point hitch with the drawbar, stabilizer, chains, top link, everything is here. It does have the foldable rollover bar. Got the side work lights here for added lighting. The tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Also has a mid PTO. Lever can be selected for your rear PTO or mid PTO right here. Tilt steering wheel, nice suspension seat. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.